Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I actually did a photo shoot on Instagram at this point like 2 weeks ago wearing like 5 or 6 different funky lip colors, and it got me thinking about all of the different colors, what is mainstream, what isn't. So today we're going to be taking a fairly easy neutral eye look, a tutorial of which I will be uploading later this week. I did change my shirt to a black one so nothing clashes, but we're going to be taking this neutral eye look and trying it with 15 different lip colors. I have white, I have reds, I've got nudes, we've got pink, green, blue, black. If you want to wear a lip color, any color, and you want to see how it looks, we're going to basically try it today. Neon pink, cobalt blue, everything. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I upload 3 times a week, and that's going to be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to see the try-on of all of these different lip colors and how they match with one eye look, stay tuned. All right, so I'm ready to jump in, and I'm curious, how many of these lips do you think are actually going to look good? I've got, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's not right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 lip combinations, including the one I have on right now. Right now, I'm wearing Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk because it is considered like an iconic perfect nude. It is the matching lip liner with Pillow Talk, the lipstick. I'll just, for why not, add a little more. But it is basically the perfect nude on pretty much every complexion. I've seen the deepest of deep complexions wearing this with a chocolate liner, and it is beautiful. I've seen the fairest girls put this on and just as pretty. So this is going to be the nude that we're going to start with. I'm going to basically jump all over the place because I don't want it to be like all the nudes and then all of the darker colors. So this is the first color, and obviously this is the one I put on first because it is such an iconic color that I think it looks beautiful with the eye. It's nice, it's soft. The eye is a little smoky, but it is neutral. So pairing it with a lip like this is super everyday. Like, I don't think if you walked out of the house wearing something like this, it would be really all too crazy because honestly, this is a pretty neutral pairing. All right, I'm going to go clean this off, and then we're going to try on the next color. I can already tell by the end of this my lips are going to hate me. I'm going to jump off the deep end into one of the more vibrant-y colors first. So we're going to go with green. So I'm going to be grabbing the Beauty For Real eyeline. This is actually an eyeliner, but it is in the shade Jade, and I will be pairing it with the studded lipstick from KVD Beauty in the shade Plan 9. We're going green. All right, and this is the green lip. Now, I know it is a little alternative and not everybody likes a green lipstick. But what I am going to say is with this eye, if you are someone who likes wearing a green lip, I think you're going to love this. I am going to just fix my top lip because I didn't look close and I thought it looked a lot better than it did. Much better. Now we actually have a Cupid's bow. What do you guys think of the green? It's definitely a little Halloween. It's a little alternative. I don't necessarily dislike it. I love a green lip moment. What do you guys think? I think with this eye and this complexion, I would definitely need to add a little bit more blush. I'm not going to do this for every look, but I'm going to do it for this one, just to add a little bit more warmth to the skin, because the green is so cool toned that I feel like it's washing me out a little bit. Yeah, the blush helped. So I'm not going to be adding blush every single time I change the lip, but I definitely think a little bit of blush does pull it all together. Okay, that's the green. Let's try the next color. All right, I'm going to try and bounce between like weird color, nude color. So I'm going to go into next. This is from Girlactic. This is the shade Posh. I will at the end put like swatches of all the nudes next to each other. But I promise you, this is definitely a little bit darker and a little bit more of like a terracotta shade compared to the first nude. So I actually swatched all these on my hands like 2 days ago when I was figuring out what colors to use. And I promise the nudes are going to look different. So let's try this one. Okay, so right away, I think you can see this is definitely darker than the Charlotte Tilbury nude. I actually think I like it a little bit more. The Charlotte Tilbury is a little more of like that softy, peachy pink, whereas this one is coming out. I know I said I was going to swatch them all at the end, but it looks like it's the same color. So the Charlotte Tilbury is a little more of like a peachy pink, whereas this one is definitely a darker terracotta, a little brickier, a little more red in there, whereas the other one is more of a true pink. I know I said I'm going to just keep that there so I can just keep adding swatches for the nudes at least. Obviously, you're not going to be able to like, the green doesn't look like the blue. You won't have an issue with that. But the nudes, we'll line them up here, and hopefully I'll remember which one's which in which order. All right, so this is number 3. Let's jump into the next lip. All right, next color is actually going to be, for me, like the most out there. We're jumping into a straight up white lipstick. Now, this is the shade Drug Lord from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I only use this to like lighten other lip colors. I've never actually worn it as its own straight up lip color. So we're going to try a white lip today. Okay, now that the white's off, let's throw something a little bit better on. This is going to be from Nude Sticks. This is Wakiki Rose, which, just to show you next to the other two, this is actually even lighter and a little more coral than even the Charlotte Tilbury was. Definitely a cute coral color. Of the nudes, it's definitely pretty, and I think it's a little more of a statement than the other two. These ones read more as nude, whereas the one I'm wearing now reads a little bit more coral. So it's a little more exciting as far as with this eye look. But, you know, not all nudes are created equally, and we've got 3 very different ones. And I still have like 6 nudes to go through. So that's lip number, what, 5, 6? I don't even know where we are. All right, next up, blue. Well, it's more bluey purple. This is going to be Empire, the liner from Urban Decay, which I'm pairing with Ultramarine Violet from M Cosmetics. This is going to be more of like a purpley blue. More on the purple side, though. So in person, this is looking very purple. On camera, it's looking almost navy blue or black. But that being said, I am in love with the way this color looks. Like, it is, in my opinion, like the perfect bold to go with this eye look. At least so far. I like it more than the green. I definitely didn't like the white. Sorry, my swatches are getting everywhere. But as a whole, like, this lip is stunning. I'm actually really upset because this is a discontinued color, and every time I wear it, I'm like, well, can't fall in love with it. I'll never be able to get it again. But it is just so pretty. All right, we're starting to experience a little staining, but in between, I am taking a little of a pressed powder and just cleaning up the lip area, hopefully so nothing bleeds through, but, you know, it's bound to happen. Next up, let's jump into, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do all 15 lips. This is a lot. I definitely want to do that one. I definitely want to do this one. All right, I'm going to pull out the gray. I'm going to pull out the black because you guys saw those on an Instagram post like a week ago. And if you didn't, go check out my Instagram, Glam. You'll see those lips there. Let's go into the like bright ass pink. This is an Illuminati gel paint liner. It is literally just an eyeliner that I will be putting as a neon lip color all over my lips. Okay, so normally I hate pink on me, and every time, like, I know I tried to pink on in a recent unboxing and I hated it, but I kind of like this one. Like, this is legitimately neon pink. It is a gel liner. It is not an eye color, but I love it. What do you guys think? Because, like, I am totally here for this. It's definitely not a lipstick that a lot of people would wear, but with this eye, like, I think it works. What do you think? I think I love it. Like, this might be the hidden gem of the video. All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay, definitely a little staining, but not the end of the world. I I'm not going to do like the traditional red. I'm going to skip that one too. We're going to go into a nude. This is from Hank & Henry. This is the shade Petal Pusher. It is the most terracotta of all the lips we're trying today. Ooh, that's pretty. Why do I never wear this? So of the more nudie neutral shades, I will say, I think I like this one the least. It is a little bit too mauvey red. Like, I love this color, just not with this eye. I feel like I would want this with more of a cool toned eye so that the red pops more. But it's still very pretty. That is the Hank & Henry. Okay, the next color, I'm not even going to put powder down because the next color is legitimately like super dark. So this is going to be the Fenty Mademoiselle Lipstick in PMS, which is honestly like a chocolate brown. I never wear browns. So this is going to be like the darkest of the nudes we're going to try today. See how brown and nude and pretty that is? I'm going to grab a brown eyeliner just to clean up the lip line. I love these lip crayons, or these lipsticks, I guess, from Fenty, but I will say it is super easy for them to kind of go outside the line, which they just did. It's also like the 12th lipstick I put on in a row. That being said, the color is very dark, very brown, but very pretty. All right, for the last color we're going to do today, this is like one of my go-to combos. It is your traditional deep, super vampy red. You guys know I love me a vampy red. So let's try this one out, which, spoiler alert, I think this is going to end up being my favorite. And as expected, this is probably the lip I love the most. You guys know I am all about a vampy red. This is the shade Havana Nights from the Ofra, and I believe it was a Kathleen Lights collaboration. But like this, even if I was to go into like Unicorn Blood from Jeffree Star, like these are basically the same color. Yeah, no real difference there. It's just that vampy brick red, super vampy, terracotta-y, but like blood red. Yeah, I think this is my favorite. You guys know I'm here for a vampy lip. What do you guys think so far? All right, so I did promise I was going to swatch all of these for you in order that we applied them, because why not? Well, at least the nudes. So I'm going to start, so you guys can see, with the Charlotte Tilbury lip, which is very pretty, and a soft pinky beigey nude. Next, I'm going to throw on the Galactic right next to it. These are not going to be pretty swatches because I'm trying to open and close, but definitely darker, definitely a little rustier. The Nude Sticks Waikiki Rose is going to be the more coral option of the three. Notice how it has a little bit more of that orange tangerine undertone in it. Next, putting that next to the Hank & Henry, which is more of a mauvey true rose color. Definitely the most opaque formula right off the get-go for those. All right, next I'm going to take the Chocolate Brown from Fenty, which technically is still a nude, just more for a deeper complexion. And then the last of the more neutral wearable tones, if that's what you want to call them, is going to be the Havana Nights from Ofra, which is still on my lips right now, but I know on camera they looked kind of similar. All right, now I'm going to show you guys more of the exotic colors right underneath. So we're going to start with the Kat Von D green. This is the shade Plan 9. These are going to be slanty because that's the shape of my hand. Next, this is the Ultramarine Violet from M Cosmetics. I think on my hand you'll be able to see a little bit more, but it looked very black on my lips. But on here, it's definitely more of a mariney, purpley blue shade. Obviously, I'm going to swatch the white, but y'all know what that's going to look like. It's going to look white. Not cute on the lips. I did not like that at all on my lips. And then the last shade is going to be I'm going to throw it on the floor. The last one is going to be the Vibrant Pink. It's going to be right there, super neon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We ended up doing 10 lips, which honestly, I don't think I could handle doing any more. My lips are like pretty dry right now, and I think I need to go do a lip mask. But those are all of the shades together. What do you guys think? What is your favorite? Let me know down below. Just because, you know what, I'm going to do this real quick. I am going to swatch the shades I did not end up applying, just because, why not? So next to the blue, I'm going to put on, or next to the pink, that is going to be the cobalt blue I was going to put on. Then this is Wicked from Lunar Beauty. This is my favorite black lipstick. Right up here. I'm making a mess everywhere, can you tell? Then we have the Huda Beauty Silver Fox, which is a gray tone. We're a mess today. And the last is going to be Bohemian from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to swatch this sideways up here so you can see it next to the Ofra. But what I like about this one is you'll notice it's a little more of like a gray red, whereas this one that I'm wearing is more of a blood red. So I'm going to go try and convince Brandon to give me a high five without knowing what's on my hand. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to let me know down below what was your favorite lip color, what do you think was the best combo, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!